Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Meeting of the Spirits. We'll start by exploring the foundational elements that give this piece its iconic sound. First, grasp the unique 6/4 time signature, which is crucial for the rhythmic feel. Then, we'll dive into the dense, dissonant chords that define the introduction. Finally, we'll cover the essential right-hand picking pattern to achieve the authentic articulation. The introduction features several complex chord voicings that are key to the song's character. You'll encounter shapes like G over A, F over G, and C minor over B. Focus on precise finger placement and effective string muting to ensure each note rings clearly. Practice slow transitions between these chords, building speed gradually to maintain accuracy and fluidity. The rhythmic drive of Meeting of the Spirits comes from its distinctive picking patterns. A common approach is the down-up motion, often across every other string. John McLaughlin frequently uses his thumb for the bass notes, adding a unique texture. Concentrate on internalizing the 6/4 time signature, ensuring your picking remains precise and locked into the groove throughout the piece. For soloing, several scales offer rich harmonic possibilities. Start with F-sharp minor pentatonic and F-sharp Phrygian to capture the core sound. Experiment with G Lydian or B harmonic minor to add more color and complexity to your improvisations. The main melody, often a simple 2- or 3-note phrase with bends, is surprisingly expressive and a crucial part of the song's identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.